This video is going to be incredibly stupid at first, but if you get it, you just kind of do get it, you know? Which is most people just don't do more. And that's kind of it. And I'm realizing this recently. The man Alex Hormozi has the framework more better than you, and I've been doing a lot more YouTube videos. Obviously, the one today is more jaggy than the one yesterday, where it was like better camera quality and definitely worse audio by accident. But that's literally it. Just doing more. Like today, I was very busy, and I did not. Correction, I didn't prioritize this enough, and now here I am. So I'm doing something like this, but at least I'm doing more. At least I'm actually getting the YouTube video out there. I feel like, especially in the info space, where there's so much info, I've come to realize that almost all of it will work. If you do TikTok, if you do like Instagram, if you do YouTube, if you do ads, if you convert through calls, if you convert through webinars, if you whatever the fuck you're doing, like it will probably work. But it doesn't work for most people just because they don't do enough. And that's literally it. And that was me for a very long time. It's not me fucking on my high horse. It's like these YouTube videos, bro. I wanted to do these YouTube videos for a fucking year. A year. But I was like, fuck, bro. There's so much information out there. So I was like, okay, I gotta do this, I gotta do this, I gotta do this. And the thing that changed it all for me was watching this Hormozi video. Oh my god, shocking, I know. The man I keep fucking talking about. I bring him up again, crazy. And he was talking about how this dude came up to him and was like, he basically sold someone on going into the gym. And the dude was like, okay, what's my program? And he was like, the program is get the fuck inside the gym, and that's it for the first 3 months. And it's like, just do more. That's it. Do more. And I'm more speaking to myself right now than anything else. Even if it's like kind of trashy like this, I know these like Loom videos aren't that fucking good, and that's fine. I am still building stuff, skills. Like I speak better now through doing these Loom videos. I'm more fucking comfortable on camera. I kind of don't care as much. And I'm just building the muscle of just doing fucking YouTube every day. And then most people are going to hear that. And I'm be like, okay, because I know I would hear this. And I would be like, go to another fucking Alex Hormozi video and watch some fucking tier list. Like it actually fucking matters. Like it literally, like no one cares about it. And I think he said this. It was like, most people fail because of a lack of execution, not a lack of ideas. And that is unbelievably true for me. I think I still need to make the switch from thinking that like my time is that valuable, because it's not. I like my decision making, because it's not. My decision making is terrible because I don't know enough, because I suck, because I've only been doing it for a year and a half, So I just have to do more and more. And there's a limit to that, obviously. Now with these YouTube videos, I'm gonna make them better. And then in like when these YouTube videos do very well, then I'll do new stuff. So maybe I'll do Instagram, right? But fuck, bro. This is more when you're speaking to myself from like, even like 2 weeks ago, like 4 weeks ago. Even now. This is just me talking to me. Just do more, bro. Motherfucker, I'm looking at you. Like, do more outreach, Do more, do better content now. I gotta switch it up. But with a lot of other stuff, just like do more. Like, I need to do more outreach and spend more time in other people's communities. Like, I just have to do more. That's pretty much it. And I have the capacity to do more. I bullshit myself out of not doing more. Welcome to my therapy session with myself. And I think that's because of ego, of just thinking that I'm better than just putting in the work. when I'm just not at that stage yet. You know, fuck, he's fucking entering this stage at 36 after like 12 years in the game. How the fuck am I supposed to be there right now? It's like it's fucking stupid. I think it's a nice way to procrastinate. You know, nice way to think that you've made it when you're just a fucking idiot that needs to do more. That's it. This entire video is just me telling myself I need to do more. I'm better. But yeah, I think, you know, we're doing more as well. I used to get really bored. And I still do. But I think it's also just a skill within itself. Because I'm getting better at picking up those little intricacies in skills. So before it would be like, I would get to, I don't know. So I generally have a really good uplift over most people. So I learn the skills really quickly. The same thing happened in gaming, right? That's like the best example I could give. So I would get really good at games. I would become like top 10% in a really short amount of time. And then I would plateau for an extremely long time. Forever, basically. And I think it happens in skills as well. And I think that in itself was a skill issue. Because I couldn't pick up I wasn't focused enough in my doing of more. And I didn't have cognitive flexibility. So cognitive flexibility is just, I'm doing it this way. Okay, what's another way that I could tackle this, right? And it's also just like, when you do have cognitive flexibility, then you can see the different intricacies better. So you can be like, okay, I've done this for so long, and now I can see it from this way, and now I can see it from this way, and not this way. All right, that's the fucking yap session. Do more, motherfucker. I'm talking to myself right now. Do more. I don't know, do some subscribe, comment bullshit or something. Send it to a friend, bro. Send them to a friend and then just fucking let me violate them with my words and very bad facial hair. All right, bye.